Good morning, students. Today we start our new topic, nephrolithiasis, means renal stones. Nephrolithiasis or urolithiasis is a formation of urinary caniculi at any level of the urinary tract. It is estimated that approximately 2% of the population experiences renal stone disease at some time in their life, with a male-female ratio of 2:1. The renal caliculi are characterized clinically by colicky pain, called renal colic, as they pass down along the ureter and manifest by hematuria. Now, types of urinary caliculi. There are four main types of urinary caliculi are: number 1, calcium stones; number 2, mixed stones; number 3, uric acid stones; and number 4, cystine stones. Now start with number 1, that is calcium stones. The calcium stones are the most common, comprising about 75% of all urinary caliculi. There may be pure stones of calcium oxalate or 50% or calcium phosphate 5% or mixture of calcium oxalate and calcium phosphate 45%. बेसिकली क्या होता है, कैल्शियम स्टोन्स मेनली हमें देखने के मिलते हैं यूरिनरी कैलिकुलाई में, जिसमें कि 50% जो है वो कैल्शियम ऑक्सलेट के स्टोन्स होते हैं, 5% कैल्शियम फॉस्फेट के एंड 45% कैल्शियम ऑक्सलेट एंड कैल्शियम फॉस्फेट के मिक्सचर से बनते हैं. नाउ etiology of calcium stone is variable. The 50% of patients with the calcium stones have idiopathic hypercalcemia without hypercalcemia. It means जो मेनली 50% केसेस होते हैं उसमें क्या होता है, कैल्शियम स्टोन्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं, हैव इडियोपैथिक हाइपरकैल्सीयूरिया विदाउट हाइपरकैल्सीमिया. मीन्स बॉडी के अंदर कैल्शियम का लेवल इंक्रीज नहीं होता और अननोन कॉज से हाइपरकैल्सीयूरिया प्रेजेंट होता है. उस केसेस में अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 10% ऑफ केसेस आर एसोसिएटेड विद hypercalcemia and hypercalciuria. The most common due to hyperparathyroidism or a defect in the bowel, especially in the absorptive hypercalciuria, or in the kidney, that is renal hypercalciuria. 10% केसेस हैं उसके अंदर हाइपरकैल्शियमिया भी होता है और हाइपरकैल्सीयूरिया. हाइपरकैल्शियमिया कहाँ से आता है, बॉवेल्स के अंदर एब्जॉर्प्शन ठीक से नहीं होता, उसकी वजह से एक्सेस एब्जॉर्प्शन होता है, उसकी वजह से कॉज करता है एब्जॉर्प्टिव हाइपरकैल्सीयूरिया. और रीनल में डेफिशिएंसी की वजह से एब्जॉर्प्शन की वजह से करता है रीनल हाइपरकैल्सीयूरिया. About 15% of patients with a calcium stones have hyperuricosuria with a normal blood uric acid level and without any abnormality of calcium metabolism. Next, in 25% of patients with calcium stones, the cause is unknown as there is no abnormality in urinary excretion of calcium, uric acid or oxalate, and is referred to idiopathic calcium stone disease. Now, pathogenesis. The mechanism of calcium stone formation is explained on the basis of imbalance between the degree of supersaturation of the ions forming the stone and the concentration of inhibitors in the urine. A number of other predisposing factors contributing to formation of calcium stones are alkaline urinary pH, decreased urinary volume and increased excretion of oxalate and uric acid. Morphologically देखें तो calcium stones are usually small, less than a centimeter, ovoid in shape, hard, with granular rough surface, and they are dark brown in color due to blood pigment deposit in it as a result of repeated trauma caused the urinary tract by these sharp edges stone. Now next is mixed stones. About 15% of urinary caliculi are made of magnesium, ammonium, calcium phosphate. The called struvile, often called struvite, hence mixed stones are also called as struvite stones or triple phosphate stones because there are three components present, that is magnesium, ammonium and calcium phosphate. Etiology: struvite stones are formed as a result of infection of the urinary tract with urea splitting organisms that produce urease, such as by species of Proteus, and occasionally Klebsiella, Pseudomonas and Enterobacter. These are therefore also known as infection-induced stones. However, E. coli does not form urease. Morphologically, struvite stones are yellow, white or green color. Mixed stones जो होते हैं वो yellow और white और green color होते हैं. They tend to be soft and friable and irregular in a shape. Staghorn stone, which is a large solitary stone that takes the shape of the renal pelvis, where it is often formed, is an example of struvite stone. Now, third type of stone of urolithiasis is uric acid stones. Approximately 6% of urinary caliculi are made of uric acid. Uric acid caliculi are radiolucent, unlike radio-opaque calcium stones. Now, etiology: uric stones are frequently formed in a cases of hyperuricemia and hyperuricosuria, such as due to primary gout or secondary gout due to myeloproliferative disorders, for example in leukemia, especially those on chemotherapy, and administration of uricosuric drugs. Other factors contributing to their formation are acidic urinary pH below 6 and low urinary volume. Pathogenesis: as the urine becomes more acidic, the solubility of uric acid in urine decreases and precipitation of uric acid crystals increases, favoring the formation of uric acid stone. Hyperuricosuria is the most important factor in the production of uric acid stones, while hyperuricemia is found in about half the cases. Morphologically, uric acid stones are smooth, yellowish brown, hard, and often multiple. On cut section, they show laminated structure. यूरिक एसिड के जो स्टोन्स होते हैं वो स्मूथ होते हैं, येलोइश ब्राउन कलर के होते हैं और हार्ड होता है और बहुत सारे मीन्स मल्टीपल होते हैं. जो उसको कट सेक्शन करके देखते हैं, दे विल बी शो laminated structure. Now next stone is cystine stones. Cystine stones comprise less than 2% of urinary calculi. Cystine stones are associated with cystinuria due to a genetically determined defect in the transport of cystine and other amino acids across the cell membrane of the renal tubules and the small intestinal mucosa. Morphologically देखें तो cystine stones are small, rounded, smooth, often multiple. They are yellowish and waxy. cystine stones कैसे होते हैं? छोटे, गोल, स्मूथ सरफेस होता है, मल्टीपल होते हैं, येलोइश और वैक्सी दिखते हैं. The other caliculi, less than 2% of urinary caliculi, consist of other rare types such as due to inherited abnormality of enzymes metabolism. For example, hereditary xanthouria developing the xanthine stones. Now we complete the types of stones. कितने types हैं? 4 types. Number 1, calcium stones. Number 2, mixed stones. Number 3, uric acid stones. Number 4, cystine stones. Now comes to the clinical features. Clinical features क्या होंगे? जैसे कि हमने पहले देखा था, यूरिनरी आउटपुट जो है वो डिक्रीज हो जाता है, दैट इज ओलिगोयूरिया. और यूरिन सेंसेशन यूरिन पास करने के बाद भी रहती है और लास्टली यूरिन ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप पास होता है. नेक्स्ट, burning and smarting pain will be feel in the urethra and pain in the back side of the kidney, especially pain in the back, especially on the kidney regions will be feel. Next, in urine may be dark in color, dark yellowish color, or sometimes maybe blood is present, that is hematuria. And diagnosis test, basically radiological test, that is ultrasound, CT and MRI. एंड ब्लड टेस्ट में करवाते हैं KFT एंड CBC टेस्ट, एंड यूरिन एनालिसिस करवाते हैं. नाउ वी completed the nephrolithiasis. If you guys have any query, then ask your questions. Thank you.